We had the market managing to end on a high note by the end of last week's trade, and of course decent volumes being recorded, but specifically concentrated on your heavyweights. What are you making of the kind of market activity we're seeing right now?
Thanks, Alishia. Zim market is actually very interesting at the moment. We had a very good run to January and a stable February and March. And yeah, you did note that Delta and Econet being the two heavyweight counters, which saw the end of the quarter on Thursday, trading 418,000 and 1 million shares respectively. Basically, it's just showing quite a lot of interest in Zim at the moment. Our industrial index also closed off up 0.56, and with banks doing pretty well, ABC, CBZ, Barclays, all showing some solid results.
Yep. How long do you expect this to continue? I mean, is this kind of activity sustainable, or are we likely to see profit taking at least setting in, Tino?
Well, Zim is still fairly, undervalued at the moment, we think. And as long as we keep making the right noises going forward, we had a very peaceful referendum a couple of weeks ago, and if we keep making these type of right noises to the markets, to the rest of the world, I think there is still quite a lot of room for growth going forward.
Room for growth, but in a very constrained environment. If you're looking at some of the points being noted from companies reporting, is the number of NPLs, which indicates the very tight liquidity situation in the country that persists.
Yeah, definitely. Our NPLs are an average of 12.5%, which is pretty high in the banking sector. And so we think that anything credit-driven is going to be a bit of a problem. The banks have become a bit more innovative to come up with new revenue streams. But anyone pushing credit going forward is going to find that a bit tight. So we rather think that a more conservative approach would work, and not necessarily pushing credit in this tight liquidity type of environment.